Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you loved our first video with 7 awesome tips for starting the Mediterranean diet, you're going to be thrilled with what we have today. We've got 8 more fantastic tips to share, helping you dive even deeper into this healthy and delicious lifestyle. So grab your notepad and let's get ready to make your Mediterranean journey even more exciting. Let's jump right in. First up on our Mediterranean diet tips is how to pack your meals with flavor without reaching for the salt shaker. Cooking with herbs and spices not only enhances the taste, but also brings a slew of health benefits. Go herbal. Start using herbs like rosemary, basil, and mint in your cooking. These aren't just for garnishing. They can transform a simple dish into something extraordinary. Spice things up. Incorporate spices such as cumin, coriander, and paprika to add depth and complexity to your dishes without any extra calories. Creative combos. Experiment with different combinations to see what you like best. For example, rosemary goes great with chicken, while basil pairs beautifully with tomatoes. Reduce sodium. By focusing on herbs and spices, you can naturally decrease your reliance on salt, which is great for maintaining a healthy blood pressure level. By infusing your food with herbs and spices, you'll discover a whole new world of flavors while sticking to your healthy Mediterranean eating plan. Hydration is a key part of the Mediterranean lifestyle, not just for health, but also for helping you feel full and satisfied. Here's how you can stay hydrated in a healthy and tasty way. Water is wonderful. Make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Carrying a water bottle can help remind you to keep sipping. Limit sugary drinks. Avoid sugary sodas and juices. These can add extra calories and sugar to your diet without any nutritional benefits. Enjoy unsweetened tea and coffee. These beverages are a staple in the Mediterranean diet. Just skip the added sugars to keep them healthy and refreshing. Infuse flavors. If plain water is too boring, add slices of citrus fruits, cucumber, or herbs like mint to infuse natural flavors. By focusing on hydration with these simple tips, you'll support your overall health and make it easier to stick to a Mediterranean eating pattern. Embracing plant-based meals is a big part of the Mediterranean diet, which is celebrated for its health benefits and sustainability. Let's explore how you can make veggies and legumes the stars of your plate. Start small. Dedicate a few meals each week to be entirely plant-based. This can help ease the transition if you're new to this style of eating. Variety is key. Mix different vegetables and legumes to keep meals interesting. Try combinations like spinach with chickpeas or bell peppers stuffed with lentils. Explore recipes. Look for Mediterranean recipes that are naturally plant-based, such as ratatouille or vegetable paella. Use whole grains. Incorporate whole grains like quinoa, barley, or farro to add substance and texture to your plant-based meals. Focusing on plant-based meals several times a week not only aligns with Mediterranean dietary practices, but also introduces more fiber, vitamins, and minerals into your diet. Cutting down on added sugars is crucial for following the Mediterranean diet effectively. Let's find out how to limit sweets and heavily processed foods that can disrupt a healthy eating pattern. Understand labels. Learn to read nutrition labels to identify added sugars in processed foods. Look for terms like sucrose, high fructose corn syrup, and dextrose. Natural sweeteners. Opt for natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup in moderation instead of refined sugar. Healthy snacks. Replace sugary snacks with healthier options like fruits, nuts, or yogurt. Home cooking. Prepare meals at home where you can control the ingredients, helping you avoid the hidden sugars found in many restaurant dishes and pre-packaged foods. Reducing added sugars helps not only in adhering to the Mediterranean diet, but also in improving overall health by decreasing the risk of conditions like type 2 diabetes and heart disease. Embracing regular physical activity is a key part of the Mediterranean lifestyle, not just for weight management, but for overall health and well-being. Let's explore how you can incorporate more activity into your day in fun and enjoyable ways. Daily walks. Aim for a brisk 30-minute walk each day. Whether it's a morning jog or an evening stroll, it's about moving more. Fun activities. Choose activities you enjoy like dancing, swimming, or playing a sport, which makes it easier to stay active regularly. Family time. Involve the whole family in activities like hiking or cycling. It's a great way to spend quality time together while keeping everyone active. Routine tasks. Turn daily tasks into opportunities for exercise. Opt for stairs instead of elevators, or try gardening and doing household chores at a pace that gets your heart rate up. Incorporating these activities into your routine can help emulate the naturally active lifestyle of those living in the Mediterranean region and can enhance the health benefits of their diet. Mastering the Mediterranean diet involves adopting healthier cooking methods that maximize flavor while minimizing unhealthy fats. Let's discover how to cook your meals just like they do in the Mediterranean: baking and roasting. Utilize your oven for baking fish, roasting vegetables, or making hearty casseroles. This method helps retain nutrients and requires less oil. Grilling. Fire up the grill for meats and vegetables. Grilling imparts a smoky flavor and allows fat to drip away from the food, making it a healthier choice. Sautéing. Use a small amount of olive oil to sauté foods. Olive oil is a healthy fat that adds flavor and can withstand moderate cooking temperatures without breaking down. Avoid deep frying. Instead of deep frying, try air frying or baking for a crispy texture without all the oil. These cooking techniques not only align with the Mediterranean diet's focus on health, but also enhance the natural flavors of your ingredients, making your meals both nutritious and delicious. Eating seasonally and locally is a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, which focuses on enjoying the freshest and most flavorful produce. Here's how you can incorporate this healthy habit into your daily routine. Seasonal shopping. Buy fruits and vegetables that are in season in your area. They're not only fresher and tastier, but often more nutritious and less expensive. Local markets. Visit local farmers markets or subscribe to a community-supported agriculture box to get fresh produce directly from farmers. Garden fresh. If you have space, start a small garden to grow your own herbs, tomatoes, or peppers. It's a fun way to ensure you're eating the freshest possible ingredients. Learn what's in season. Keep a seasonal food calendar to know what to look for when you shop, ensuring you're getting the best quality and flavor available locally. Eating seasonally and locally helps you enjoy the healthiest foods available, supports local farmers, and reduces the environmental impact of your meals. It's a delicious way to boost your health and connect with your community. Planning your meals is a smart strategy to ensure you're eating a balanced Mediterranean diet throughout the week. Here's how you can get organized and enjoy a variety of delicious, healthy foods. Weekly meal planning. Set aside some time each week to plan your meals. This helps you incorporate a range of food groups and ensures you don't fall into a dietary rut. Shopping list. Create a shopping list based on your meal plan. Stick to it to avoid impulse buys that might not fit into the Mediterranean diet. Prep in advance. Prepare some ingredients ahead of time. For example, chop vegetables or cook grains on the weekend to save time during busy weekdays. Balanced plates. Plan to fill half your plate with fruits and vegetables, a quarter with whole grains, and the rest with lean proteins and healthy fats like fish and olive oil. By planning your meals, you can better manage your diet and ensure you're eating a diverse array of foods from the Mediterranean diet each week. Thanks for watching, everyone. We hope these 8 tips will help you kickstart your journey with the Mediterranean diet. Remember, it's all about cooking with herbs instead of salt, staying hydrated, planning plant-based meals, limiting added sugars, keeping active, using healthy cooking methods, eating fresh local produce, and planning your meals ahead of time. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more healthy eating advice. Drop a comment below to share how you're incorporating these tips into your daily routine. See you in the next video.